What is going on, guys? I'm Watch J Ergo, and today it's Christmas. We've got my brother here, and we are finally going to drive the BO. Apparently we're gonna get 3 of the B's out today. Just a few minutes ago, we finished all the inspections. We wanted to make sure everything was oiling properly because we still had some concerns about oil pressure and why we had to adjust the oil pressure screw and everything like that. So the mag was off. We don't know if it's gonna start. It might be 180 degrees at a time. We're gonna find out here in a minute. And yeah, other than that, we've just been going through everything, kind of wiping everything down. It should be ready to start right now. So we have this clutch pad coming because it's extremely worn. You can see there's not really anything left on there. We have the gasket for this sitting here ready to go, and we're gonna go through all of the clutch system. There's a new brake lever coming. We're gonna go through that. The brakes are gonna be gone through soon. Hey, it's in time. That's good news. Success! It's alive again! And we can finally drive it. What? Oh, the forklift. Look at that, guys. The time machine is on its home. This trailer was custom built for it. Obviously, it's not actually a time machine, but it looks so good. One of these days, we'll tell you about the steam generator. A little more, at least. You get to see it in almost every video. Ooh, plasma table. Here's the 70. It's still stuck. I know a lot of you have been asking about it, but the BO first ride there was a success, other than me getting absolutely covered in coolant when that thing popped off. Apparently Dad had gotten in there and checked the thing out and didn't tighten down the top screw there. So for now, we're gonna go and do Christmas things, and then we'll come back and get more tractors out for you guys. We've got the BR out. We drove it all the way down the road to get to the shop. That was a long drive going 5 miles an hour. So now we're gonna try to clean it up because it's been sitting forever. We've got a little bit of degreaser and water in here. This should take off all the oil residue that we've got sitting everywhere. I should probably change my spray pattern, but it's kind of hard to do that while you're holding the camera. Yep, still. Get it a little bit, there we go. Now I can get everything soaked down. We're gonna get all the oil off here real quick, get the other B out, and line these up. Maybe do some tractor racing. I doubt that's today's agenda, but we're gonna get it cleaned up. Quick little tractor car wash. Get these tires nice and black again. We're gonna blast all the dirt off the wheels here in a second. This is gonna look great. So we were planning on getting the B out today. I don't know if it's gonna make it at this point. The sediment bowl's getting cleaned. We've got a new sediment bowl gasket for this. The points need cleaned on the magneto. It's not really far away and it should fire right up because it does turn over. It's got a charged battery so we can use the starter and everything, but we'll see where it ends up. Sediment bowl's back, new gasket's in. It looks like the valve might be leaking a little bit. We've got a few drips coming out of that. And now we're just down to the magneto.
Cleaning the rotor off.
And mag rebuild complete. Really, it's just cleaning it up real quick. Think it's gonna fire?
We'll see. Yeah, that sediment bowl is pouring fuel up.
Oh!
Come on, baby.
That's a lot of running tractors at one time. Also, don't forget about that Rampage. Well, we had to pull start the BO real quick, and it definitely drug its tires for a second there before it wanted to spin over. But it's good to go now. We just think the mag might have gotten wet while we were walking it. BO, BR, yeah, let's go for a drive. Throw this bad boy in high. There we go. Woo-wee! All right, race time. So, yeah, I'm in second high. We're gonna win this race. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! I'm at full power! I'm giving her all she's got! I'm definitely winning though! I've got a good foot on it! Woo! We're going over the big bump! Oh, handled it like a champ! That's what I'm talking about! Alright, I won! We're out of here! I'm heading back to the hay bales. Oh, this is not a down and back. I know he thinks it is. We're gonna try to line up all three of these. I'm gonna go wide here. Now we're ready to take some pictures. The B lineup.
Well, the BO's trying to die here.
We think it's probably out of gas. Please don't die. Let us get you home. There we go. Taking them home. And that was the tractor update you guys deserved. All three Bs were out, BO, BR, the big B. That was a lot of fun. The tractor drag race was a success. I won by a landslide, at least a full tire. So that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Lucky you got these fire fittings on here. Otherwise, there's no chance this would happen. Honda Power! It's basically a Civic.